Sentence is nothing but the a group of words, a group of words that make complete sentence. It is called as sentence. Sentence begins with a capital letter. Each and every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation marks. There are various kinds of punctuation mark in English. Okay, and after that question mark, that is the symbol of question mark. After that exclamation marks, yeah, that is the symbol of exclamation marks. After that full stop, that is the symbol of full stop. Okay, and a sentence has a two parts. How many parts? The sentence has a two parts, which subject and predicate. In the subject there is only a doer of actions. Subject is also called as a doer of action. Doer of action. Okay, and predicate, always predicate. In that predicate part there is a verb plus object oblique complement. Okay, the two parts of sentence, first is a subject and second is a predicate. Okay, a subject, it is called as a doer of action, and predicate there is a verb plus object complement. So these are the two parts of the sentences. And after that there are four kinds of sentences. First kind is that declarative sentence. So declarative sentence is also known as a statement. Okay, in Marathi it is also called as a vidhanarthi. Okay, and second type of the sentence is a interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence is called as in Marathi prashnarthi vakya. After that imperative sentence, it is called as a ajnarthi vakya. And last one exclamatory sentence, that is called as a udgarvachak vakya. Okay, so we are going to take some examples of declarative sentence. Declarative sentence has a first of all subject plus verb plus o object complement. That is the structure of a declarative sentence. Okay, we are going to take one example, that I am a teacher. I am a teacher. That is the example of declarative or a statement type of sentence. Okay, and interrogative sentence, we are going to take some example. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Okay, at the end of sentence there is a question mark, but why? Because it starts from verb. It starts from verb and ends in this way, ends at last in a question marks. Do plus like, we are going to explain that. Do plus like, the addition of both is a like only. Okay, so that's why at the end of the sentence there is a question mark. And after that imperative sentence, sentence is always start from first form of the verb. Okay, call the police. Okay, pull the rope. These are the examples of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence speciality is that it always start from first form of the verb in this way: call, pull. Okay, shut the door. These are the examples of a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always start from first form of the verb. That is the specification of imperative sentence. At last there is a exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence is always ends with the exclamation mark. We are going to take some example. What a great idea it is. At the end there is a question mark. After that, how beautiful that girl is. At the end of sentence there is a exclamation mark. Why? Because there is a what and how type of a WH word which express that the emotion of particular sentence. So that the end of the sentence there is a question, there is a exclamation mark. Okay, today we learn first of all sentence has a two parts. First is subject, second is a predicate, and sentence have a four types. First type is a declarative sentence, it is also known as statement. Second type is a interrogative sentence, third type imperative sentence, and fourth type exclamatory sentence. Each and every sentences have speciality. First declarative sentence start from subject and ends from full stop. Okay, and after that exclamatory sentence start from any kinds of verb. Verb may you may take any kinds of example just like that. To be formed in a present tense, am, is, are. Past tense to be formed was, were. To do form in present, do, does. In past, did. And any kinds of modal auxiliary, we may take the example of modal auxiliary: will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, dare to, need to, used to, or ought to. Okay, these are the modal auxiliaries. And any kinds of to have, just like that, have, has in present, had in a past, they helps. So it is also called as helping verbs. Okay, and after that there is a imperative sentence. Any kinds of imperative sentence start from the first form of the verb: order, request. These are the types of imperative sentences. And after that exclamatory sentence is always start from just like that, what and how, and at the end of sentence there is a exclamation mark. So that is all about today's sentence topic. Thank you.